Hello guys, welcome to my this my NLP Salesforce review. And each review I'm going to tell you everything that I need to know about this NLP Salesforce course. So the I'm going to show you the pros and cons. So please consider liking this video if you like how I do my review, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment any question you have. So this will be a very quick review because this product is self-explanatory. This product here is for people that want to learn copywriting, because copywriting is a very powerful skill to learn. If you learn copywriting, you can create a website and render copywriting service, or you can go to a freelance platform like Fiverr and others to promote copywriting. Copyright is it simply means that writing a article or email that promotes a product or services. So this guy is a copywriter. Um, I've gone to his background, read most things about him. He'll have learned copywriting from all these top copywriting gurus. That's online marketing gurus that use copywriting to make their money, to sell their product and others. So he will teach you about how you can learn. He will teach you everything about copywriting, how you learn copywriting, how you learn how to use control people's mind to get them to buy your products or your services. You can come here and read everything here. You can use the first link in the description box below. Just use the first link in the description box below. I'll give you this bonus over here. This multimedia mastering course, how you can master social media and use social media to market your product and services. So this is what this ebook is all about. I'll give it to you for free if you use the first link in the description box to get this product if you want it anyway. So if you read the things that you have here, you know that this guy is a copywriter. So he just used the trick of copywriting to make you to buy this product, to understand everything about his product. That's his training. In this training, in the module one, you force people to agree to your message. It will show you how to force people to agree to your message. It will literally show you how to write hypnosis message that will make people want to buy any product or services you are promoting. So there's not too much thing to review about this product. This product is self-explanatory. It's just for people that want to learn copywriting, and it's just going for $14. The normal price is $997, but for now, you can get it for $14.95, approximately $15. So this channel will teach you what everything you need to know about copywriting. Just read that article that he wrote up there, and you will know that this guy is really a copywriter. This the bonuses he includes. This is the bonuses he includes. Become the master of human physiology. He will tell you how to use physiology. This is a course that people take on school that takes them years. So he will teach you within some minutes or hours, how to become a physiologist, how to turn people's mind into cell. So this is my review about this product. So just go to the first link in the description box below to get this product if you want to learn copywriting. This is for only people that want to market their products on or other people products, that want to learn how to write email that really sells, that want to learn how to write copywriting on your website, landing page and all that. that really say how to convert people's mind to sales. So if you are not into this kind of thing, so into kind of copywriting, writing emails and all that, you don't really need this product. But if you're into online marketing, you know that email marketing is one of the best and free way to market your product. So I would really encourage you to get this product. But if you are not, you are just a website creator. Even if you are a website creator, you can still send emails to people to refine their website, create new website, create their website and others. So this product is for you. If you are doing affiliate marketing, it's for you. They will show you how to write a good affiliate marketing landing page. High converting landing page. You have to write things in your landing page that convert your emails and other. If you are drop shipping, you are eBay seller, Amazon seller, this product is for you. So thank you for stopping by. If you use the first link in the description box below to get this product, you get this my bonus here. So bye for now, and I'll see you in the next review video. Just consider liking the video, subscribing, and commenting any question you have. Bye for now.